Respected and honorable judges of Telugu Book of Records, good morning. I am teacher Sharifa. Today I am attempting for the Telugu Book of Records by reciting all the 119 assembly constituencies of our state Telangana along with the names of the respective MLAs. With your permission, I shall begin my record attempt. Kodangal Enmala Revanth Reddy, Sirpur Parvai Harish Babu, Asifabad Kova Lakshmi, Chendur Vivek Venkat Swami, Bellampalli Gaddam Vinod, Manchiral Kudira Prem Sagarao, Adilabad Payal Shankar, both Anil Jadhav, Kanapur Vedma Bonju, Nirmal Aledi Maheshwar Reddy, Muduram Rao Pawar, Armor Padi Rakesh Reddy, Bodanpi Sudarshan Reddy, Banswada Srinivas Reddy, Pocharam, Nizamabad Urban Danpal Suryanarayana, Nizamabad Rural Regalpalli Bhupat Reddy, Balkonda Prashant Reddy Vemula, Jukkal Lakshmi Kantarao Tota, LRD Madan Mohan Rao K, Kamareddy Kadalpalli Venkatramana Reddy, Korotla Kalvakumla Sanjay, Jagitial Dr. Sanjay, Dharmapuri Adluri Lakshman Kumar, Ramaguna Makkan Singraj Thakur, Mantana Durila Sridhar Babu, Pedapalli Sindakunta Vijay Ramana Rao, Karimnagar Gampula Kamalakar, Chopalani Medpalli Satya, Mankonur Kavampalli Satyanarayana, Hyderabad Kaushik Reddy Badi, Vemulavada Adi Srinivas, Sirisila K. Ramarao, Narangate Patala Sanjeeva Reddy, Angolsi Damodar Rajanarasimha, Zairabad Koneti Manik Rao, Sangareddy Chinta Prabhakar, Batancheri Gudem Maipal Reddy, Medak Mainapalli Rohit, Narsapur Vakiti Sunta Lakshma Reddy, Husnabad Ponnam Prabhakar, Siddipet Tanil Harish Rao, Dubbakota Prabhakar Reddy, Gajwel Kalvakunట్ల Chandrasekhar Rao, Ibrahimపట్నం Malreddy Rangareddy, Lal Bahadur Nagar Devireddy Sudhir Reddy, Maheshwaram Patola Savita Indra Reddy, Rajendra Nagar T. Prakash Rao, Selilingamapalli Arkepudi Gandhi, Chevella Kale Yadayya, Kalvakurti Kasireddy Narayan Reddy, Shamnagar K. Shankarayya, Paigi Dr. T. Ram Mohan Reddy, Vikarabad Gaddam Prasad Kumar, Tanur B. Manohar Reddy, Medchal Chamakuram Malla Reddy, Melkajgiri Mari Rashekar Reddy, Kutbalapur KP Vivekanand, Kukatpalli Madhavam Krishna Rao, Uppal Bandari Lakshma Reddy, Mushirabad Mota Gopal, Malakpet Ahmad bin Abdullah Balala, Ambarpet Kaleru Venkatesh, Khairathabad Danam Nagendra, Jubilee Hills Navin Yadav Vallala, Sanatnagar Talasani Srinivas Yadav, Nampalli Mohammad Mazid Hussain, Karwan Kausar Mohiuddin, Goshamahal T. Raja Singh, Charminar Mir Zulfikar Ali, Chandrayan Mutta Akbaruddin Owaisi, Ekutpura Jafar Hussain, Bahadurpura Mohammad Mubin, Secunderabad Padma Rawuti, Secunderabad Cantonment Narayanan Sri Ganesh, Mahbub Nagar Ennam Srinivas Reddy, Jadchala Anirudh Reddy, Janampalli, Devara Kadra, Gavinola Madhusudan Reddy, Nagar Karnul Kuchkula Rajesh Reddy, Achanpeta Chikkudu Vamshi Krishna, Kollapur Jupalli Krishna Rao, Vanaparthi Mega Reddy Turi, Gadwal Bandla Krishnamohan Reddy, Alampur Vijayudu, Devarakonda Balu Nayak Nenawat, Nagarjun Sagar Kundur Jayavir, Miryalguda Bathura Lakshma Reddy, Nalgonda Komat Reddy Venkat Reddy, Munugod Komat Reddy Rajagopal Reddy, Nakirekal Vemula Veeresha, Huzur Nagar Uttam Kumar Reddy Nalamada, Kodara Nalamada Padmavati Reddy, Suryapet Guntakandla Jagadish Reddy, Tungaturti Mandula Samuel, Bonagiri Kumbam Anil Kumar Reddy, Aler Ailaya Bila, Janagam Palla Rajeshwar Reddy, Ganpur Kadiyam Sri Hari, Balakurti Mamidala Yashaswini, Dornakal Jatot Ramchandran Nayak, Mehbubabad Murali Nayak Bhukya, Narsampet Donti Madhava Reddy, Warangal East Konda Sureka, Vardhanapet KR Nagaraj K, Parakal Rengori Prakash Reddy, Warangal West Nayani Rajendra Reddy, Bhupalpalli Gantra Satyanarayana Rao, Pinapaka Payam Venkateshwarlu, Ellandu Poram Kanakayya, Kottagudam Kunmaneni Sambasiva Ashwarapet Adi Narayana Jare, Bhadrachalam Tellam Venkat Rao, Khammam Tummala Nageshwar Rao, Pale Ponguleti Srinivas Reddy, Madira Batti Vikramarka Mallu, Vaira Ramdas Malot, Satupalli Matta Ragamayi, Narayanpet Chitta Panika Reddy, Maktal Vakiti Sri Hari, Mulugu Anasuya Sitaka Dansari. Thank you.